Here is a question that sounds simple, but most people get wrong. When was the last time you thought about the water you are drinking right now? Not just whether you are drinking enough, but whether what you are drinking is actually safe, because the difference between clean water and polluted water could be the difference between life and serious disease. Here is a fact that will completely change how you think about water. 60% of your entire human body is made of water. Not 50, not 40, 60%. More than half of everything you are is water. Your blood needs water to circulate through your body, carrying oxygen and food to every single part of you, every single second of every day. Remove water, and your body simply stops. But here is where it gets frightening. Not all water is safe. Polluted water is full of invisible germs, waiting to attack. Drink polluted water once, and those germs enter your body immediately. Cholera, typhoid, hepatitis, 3 of the most dangerous diseases in the world, all caused by drinking water that looks completely harmless, but is anything but. So how does water become polluted in the first place? Air is filled with gases, dirt, and particles, mixing with rainwater, flowing into ponds, canals, rivers, and lakes, making every one of them slowly more polluted. But that is just the beginning. Factories, insecticides, fertilizers, and garbage. All of it flowing directly into our water sources every single day. The water you see in rivers and lakes carries all of this inside it. So what can we do about it? There are solutions. The good news is, there are ways to make water clean and safe to drink. The first and simplest method is boiling. Heat water in a pot until it reaches its boiling point. Then let it boil for another 5 to 10 minutes. The intense heat destroys every single germ present in the water. This is the easiest and most accessible way to make water safe to drink. The second method is filtration. Have you ever watched someone make tea? Tea leaves stay behind in the sieve, and clean tea passes through into the cup. Water filtration works in exactly the same way. Water is passed through a filter with tiny pores. Particles and dirt cannot pass through. What comes out the other side is clean, pure, and safe water. This process is called filtration. Water is not just something you drink. It is 60% of everything you are. Protect it, purify it, and never take it for granted. Because clean water is not a luxury, it is life itself.
If this changed the way you think about water, like, comment, and subscribe for more.